Alright, here we are at the Lucid Chart practice page. What you need to do on this screen is move preface B to the right of premise A. Just click it until you see all of those square on each of the corner and side, and just move it to the side of premise A like this. And once you're there, release your mouse. And then we need to insert an arrow to show support. And so when this is when you see all of these squares around this box, it shows that this is active. And if you need to create an arrow connecting the two to show support, all you need to do is click where you want the arrow to be. So I want it straight across, so I'm just going to click, and you'll notice the arrow, and you'll notice the other box automatically lights up, and you just connect it until you see a circle, and then you release your mouse and it connects. The second thing you need to do is I want you to move premise C below premise A, which is already in its place. So we're going to put this, just going to move it closer like this. And then I want you to insert an arrow to show an opposing argument. Make this arrow red. So again, we know that this is active, and we just click on the mouse and we're able to move it. And if I move it below right there, I can even move it to the right like this. And let's say I want this to show negative. Pretty much go here and then to there. And then I need to show the opposing argument, and so I click outside of the box, and then I click on my arrow, and you may not see it, but it has gotten a little bit darker. Let me show you that again. If I go outside, it's a little bit thinner, and then when I go over it, it gets a little bit darker, and so we know that it's been selected. So we go up here to where this black color box, click on it, and we use the red color to define it, and we want it that color, and so you just click outside of it and it shows the red opposing argument. Now what we need to do is I want to show you how to insert another box, another opposing argument. So to do that, we just go to the left side of the sidebar and we click on this and we drag. The neat thing about Lucid Chart is you just drag your objects over to the screen, and here we have it there, and we keep holding on to the mouse, and once we release it, again you have all of these square boxes around the area of your box, and that means that it's active. And you notice also that this is highlighted, and so we can go ahead and type in our own text. So we type in, let's see, D, and we'll, oops, now if I need to make a correction, I'll just go in, double click, and it'll at this point allow you to make corrections. And so I want to add oppose under there, as so, and then I want this to oppose this, and so I'll go here, I want it to oppose B above, so again I click the end, oops, click outside of it first, there we go, and I go over it, and then I click on my mouse and I make a arrow, there you go, and then I release the mouse, I go up here to change the color, and oh, as you see, I forgot to click outside of the box, so I can immediately go undo. Again, I click outside, and then I click on the arrow until you see it get darker, and then you can click on it like this, and it's pretty much a red arrow representing an opposing argument. Now, I forgot to mention that you can also show the impact, but since this is just an argument map, we're not going to go ahead and do that. And that's about it.